In this video, I will be demonstrating the functionality of my project. This API is an inventory management system designed for a liquor store. It has three entities: supplier, brand, and category. First, I want to show you the category table. And we have the category table. Then we have the supplier table and the brand table. First, I'm going to retrieve all the categories. Next, I'm going to add 5 different suppliers. This is my first supplier, Amiral Corporation. Okay, so now I'm going to retrieve my 5 suppliers. So now we can start creating our brands. Okay, I'm going to add a brand in supplier 1 and another in supplier 2. Both suppliers have the same category, in this case, beer. Okay, I created my first brand. Now these 2 distributors here with ID 3 and 4, they have the same category of tequila. So I'm going to create one brand for each one of these suppliers. So I'm going to retrieve my suppliers again. And here you can see the different brands associated with each of those suppliers. If we check our database in the Beaver, you can see as follows. Our category table is the same, nothing changed. The supplier, we already add the 5 suppliers and the brands. So next, I'm going to associate these categories with the suppliers. Category tequila is going to be associated with suppliers with ID 3 and 4. Okay. So let's check the list of our suppliers here with the brands and categories. Brands. I want to show you in the Beaver My Join table. The supplier ID with the category ID. For this case, I'm just going to change the price and the description. 12-pack instead of 6-pack. And the price is going to be $22.75. It was in the supplier with ID 1. Here you can see the brand was updated. Now I'm going to delete the brand. So let's confirm this. Okay. We have supplier ID, but we don't have that brand. So let's refresh this. We don't have that anymore. I'm going to delete the supplier with ID 5, this one. Okay. Supplier 2, 3, 4, and no 5. We'll retrieve here all the brands. But any of these brands is associated with the supplier ID 5. Let's refresh our join table. Refresh the supplier table, and we don't have the 5. And the brand table. This row should be deleted. Okay. Cool. Okay, finally, I will show you how I handle 2 errors when attempting to create a new brand. For example, I'm going to try to create another brand in a supplier with ID 5. Okay. So I got a response of not found. The supplier with ID 5 was not found, is the message. And the status code 404, and with the timestamp. And we can see the section here as well. Supplier with ID 5 was not found. Now I'm going to create the same brand, this one, but I will try to associate this brand with another supplier. I'm gonna try to associate it with supplier 4. In this case, we got a status code of 409, which is conflict. And it said the brand Budweiser already exists. If we check in the console, we have the exception. We have brand Budweiser already exists.